When we talking about poverty of poorest people, we turn to think beggars on the road. Poorest people would be labor, landlords, farm workers, daily workers, working in roadside, etc. Whereas looking at the definition of poverty, poverty is defined as the lack of common things like food, clothing, shelter, safe drinking water, medical care, and education, which determine the quality of the life. Poverty is the worldwide challenge. However, the problems most survive in India. Early 25th of our entire population live in poverty. This means India can around 26 crore poor people, which is the largest for any country in the world. Not all people living in the city are rich and not all people living in village are poor. Poverty exists in both urban and rural India. There are certain things that are common in life of poor people in urban and rural India. This including hunger and malnutrition, lack of poor housing and shelter. They cannot get health care in case of illness and have no regular job and income. There is also lack of sanitation and safe drinking water. There is no education for children who often work as child laborers. Mahatma Gandhi devoted his life to Indians. He said, poverty is the worst form of violence. That the true of independence for India will come only when its poorest become free for suffering.
Indicators of poverty. The most commonly used indicators related to the levels of income of people and the consumption of goods. Now, poverty is also observed using other social indicators like lack of education, healthcare, sanitation, and safe drinking water. Social sanities is based are concerned about the concepts of social exclusion and vulnerability associated with poverty. The concept of social exclusion states that poor people have to live in poor surroundings, excluded from neighborhood of people who are better off. Social exclusion can be cause and effect and the cause of poverty. A person may be forced to live in poor surroundings because he or she is poor. Also, a person may be poor because he stays in poor surroundings, whereas no means to improve his income and situation. People living in slums are excluded from facilities and benefits like clean surroundings, good roads, and clean water supply, and people on better off enjoy. Social exclusion excludes people from equal opportunities of education, healthcare, employment, and general quality of life. Vulnerability is the measure of the probability of certain group of people becoming poor or remaining in future. Vulnerability is determined by the availability of options for employment, education, and healthcare, etc. For example, landless farmer laborers with limited options for education, healthcare, and employment are more vulnerable to remaining poor in the year is to come in comparison with who own land. Vulnerability is also determined by the ability of people to handle the bad times and natural disasters like earthquakes, floods, and tsunamis. The government has launched several welfare schemes for poor. To ensure that these benefits reaches the current people, it is important to have a way to identify them.
The poverty line is commonly used way to identify the poor. It is measured based on level on income and consumption by people. The concept of poverty line is based on the fact that a person must have a minimum level of income and consumption to satisfy the basic need of food, clothing, clean water, education, and healthcare. When the income or consumption of a person fall below this minimum level, the person is considered to be poor. The poverty exists in countries of the world. However, the minimum level of requirement to determine the poverty line are different in different countries.
In India, the nation of the poverty line take into the minimum requirement of food, clothing, footwear, fuel, education, and health care for an individual. Food consists of many different type of items. So, how does one decide what is the minimum requirement of food? This is done by taking the minimum caloric requirement. In India, the minimum daily requirement is fixed at 2400 caloric per person in rural area and 2100 caloric per person in urban area. Difference in the daily caloric requirement in rural and urban area is because people in rural area more physical labors and therefore needs more calories.
Some groups and communities are more vulnerable in poverty than others. Those people are belonging to scheduled caste, tribes, casual laborers in urban areas, landless farm laborers in rural areas. Causes of poverty: low economic growth during colonial rule, population explosion, lack of job opportunities, irregular low paying employment, inequitable distribution of resources, indebtedness. The lasting solution to poverty is to enable the poor to become self reliant. This is why several government schemes like Prime Minister Rozgar Yojana, Swarna Jayanti Gram Swarojgar Yojana, National Rural Employment Guarantee Act are aimed generating self-employment opportunities in rural areas. Prime Minister Rozgar Yojana (PMRY). PMRY was launched on 2nd October 1993. The aim of this program is to create self-employment opportunities for educated youth in rural areas and small towns. Swarna Jayanti Gram Swarojgar Yojana (SGSY). SGSY was launched on 1st April 1999. It aims at promoting enterprises at the village level. It helps the rural people to organize themselves into self-help groups. The objective of SGSY is to bring the existing poor families above the poverty line by providing them income-generating assets through a mix of bank, credit and government subsidy. National Rural Employment Guarantee Act NREGA. NREGA was passed in September 2005. The Act provides 400 days assured employment to every rural household in 200 districts. Later, the scheme will be extended to 600 districts. The overlapping of schemes and poor monitoring and implementation have prevented the benefits from reaching all the deserving poor. India's future in combating poverty appears bright. Rising economic growth, falling population growth rate, radical schemes of free elementary education, and empowerment of women in weaker section of society. Conclusion: poverty is a significant lack of money or poorness. Previous definitions of poverty are controversial. According to one definition, poverty is having so little money that one cannot pay for basic necessities such as food and shelter.